Kyle Bradford from Chaparral Motorsports here with Steve from Seizmik. Now this mirror right here is the strike mirror from Seizmik. It's a phenomenal mirror, can mount to any roll bar, and it's one of the most versatile mirrors on the market. Steve, tell us about the Seizmik mirror, please.
So the strike mirror has a convex lens in it so that you get a really wide field of view, and you also perceive less vibration from the vehicle. All of our mirrors have a fold-in feature, so if you smack it on a tree or if you roll over, the mirror will just fold right in, push it right back out. It goes back to where you had it set before. And all of our mirrors have this unlimited lifetime warranty, so if you break the mirror doing anything at all, we send you a free one, no questions asked.
So that about wraps up the strike mirror, which is the least expensive and most universal mirror in the lineup here at Seizmik. Now, if you want to step up from this $69 version to a version that actually relocates itself back into the same place that it started at, what are we looking at?
So we're looking at the Pursuit mirror. It's $149. It's all cast aluminum. It's nearly indestructible, and it's got these Delrin detents in it, so when you whack it on a tree or when you roll the vehicle over, you just push the mirror back and it goes exactly where you had it set before.
So the strike mirror if you're on a budget, but if you're looking for something a little more, let's stop on over to the Pursuit mirror. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. I'm Kyle from Chaparral Motorsports. Until next time, take care and ride safe.